Want to dive into the world of crypto but terrified of making a mistake with your first trade in 2026? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today, we are breaking down exactly how to buy your first cryptocurrency without the stress or the jargon. By the end of this video, you'll know how to securely move from fiat currency to digital assets and where to find the best tools for your journey. We've been tracking the markets and the TX ecosystem for years, and we're here to make sure you start your investment journey on the right foot. Step 1. Choosing your gateway. First, you need an exchange. Think of this as your digital currency kiosk. For the beginners, centralized exchanges are the easiest starting point because they offer intuitive interfaces. Make sure you choose a platform with strong security protocols and a proven track record in 2026. Once you sign up, you'll go through KYC, or Know Your Customer, which is a standard legal requirement for most platforms. Step 2. Funding and your first purchase. Now that your account is verified, it's time to fund it. You can usually link a bank account or use a credit card. When you're ready to buy, start small. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can buy fractions of a coin. Search for the asset you want, enter the amount, and hit buy. If you're looking for deeper insights on emerging trends, always check out coherencedaddy.com for the latest analysis. Step 3. Security and self-custody. Here's the golden rule of crypto. Not your keys, not your coins. Leaving your assets on an exchange is convenient, but for long-term holdings, you want a private wallet. Whether you choose a hardware wallet or a software wallet, ensure you back up your seed phrase offline. This is where you start exploring DeFi, pronounced DFI, which allows you to interact with the blockchain without a middleman. Step 4. Exploring the ecosystem. Now that you own crypto, don't just let it sit there. Start learning about the infrastructure. Look into the TX ecosystem to see how social connectivity and blockchain are merging in 2026. Explore decentralized applications and understand how smart contracts work. For more educational deep dives and guides, head over to tokens.fi. Pick a secure exchange and complete your KYC. Start small and move your assets to a private wallet for safety. Dive into DeFi and the TX ecosystem to maximize your knowledge. Buying your first crypto is the first step toward financial literacy in the digital age. Stay curious and stay safe. If this guide helped you, hit that subscribe button to join the tokens.fi community. Smash the like button if you're bullish on 2026. Drop a comment below. Which coin are you buying first?